Are you, my good sir, having trouble with collision physics in Unity? Then look no further than a
2D Bug Simulator.
You might be wondering what this is or how to use it, but don't worry, because this tutorial will help you with all of that. First, we are going to open up Unity. Then, open the project you want to add the
2D Bug Simulator.
to. Then once it's opened, find an object you want to add physics to. For example, I want my adventurer to walk around a can of Bush's Baked Beans. Next, we are going to look at the inspector window and go to Add Component. Then type
2D Bug Simulator.
and add the component. Well, there we have it. A fully functional can of baked beans, perfectly solid. You can also move the
2D Bug Simulator.
using the edit button. Anyway, that's it. I hope you have fun with your
2D Bug Simulator.